In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix controller not being player 1 in Rocket League. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are having trouble getting your controller to be recognized as player 1, usually this happens because the game is thinking that there are multiple controllers connected on your PC, so it has trouble assigning everyone who is going to be playing a proper player number. If you are trying to play alone and you notice that there are two players connected and you aren't player 1, what could be happening is that the drivers on your controller are being detected twice, or your controller is being assigned player 2 while the keyboard is assigned player 1, and if you have multiple people, you might want to make sure that you connect the controllers in order to fix this. In this video, I'm going to show you a possible fix that is going to help you, especially if you are trying to play alone. So first, what I would recommend is that you close down any other launchers that you have. So currently I am running the game through the Epic Games Launcher. If you have Steam running on the background, you might want to consider completely exiting out of Steam. And vice versa, if you are playing the game on Steam, close out of Epic Games. This is because Steam at least has a feature called Steam Input. This feature allows all types of controllers to be automatically detected and set up by the launcher itself. So if you have it running on the background, it could be messing up the drivers that the controller uses to be detected and used across all games. So consider exiting out of Steam and then try again. If this doesn't work, there is an alternative method which is a little bit more extreme. So what you have to do is right-click the Windows icon, go over to the Device Manager, and in here you should be able to find the controller that you have connected to your PC. Once you find the controller, right-click it and then uninstall the device. I'm not going to do it in this video, but don't worry, it isn't going to take the controller away forever. This is basically going to uninstall the drivers of the controllers, and if you plug it out of the USB port and back in again, as I'm gonna demonstrate here, all the drivers for the controller will be reacquired. So immediately after you uninstall, just unplug the controller as I did here, it should vanish, and if you connect the controller again on any available USB port, the drivers are going to be reacquired. It might take a while, and you have to make sure that the controller gets connected to your PC. As long as it does, you should be able to play. This is going to work if you have a wired connection or even wireless. All you have to do is make sure that it appears here again, and now you can try using the controller to play as player 1 on Rocket League. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix controller not being player 1 on Rocket League. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.